This is the bar I ordered from Amazon. It's a pretty sturdy bar. The only complaint I have is that the instructions was a little bit rough. It was illustrated. It wasn't clear. For a person who's not familiar with tools, it needs to be a little bit more clearer. All the tools look the same on there. I had to figure out which was which. Other than that, it was pretty, I guess, once I figured it out, it came together pretty easy. But I like it. At the end results, I like it. In fact, I love it. I think it's beautiful. It fits my needs. It fits in the corner. It fits my stuff, and it serves its purpose. I would recommend this bar. This product is very nice for anybody who has a small apartment or a small space they want to have a bar in, they want to entertain in. I would recommend this bar. Thank you. Hope this helps somebody.
Just got done probably about an hour ago. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning now, and I'm loving it. I got it tucked away in the corner in my living room. I love it.
All right then. Let's go. Come on.
It's going to be a bigger bonus, but the net result will be less. Is my prediction.
It's a prediction, not a bet. So no one is actually looking at action there. But
You guys can bet each other, but I'm pretty sure it's the same money.
yeah. Community property.
All money and my money. That's how it works in this family.
Those are the monies.
And as per usual, this is just free money for each.
My new little corner bar. Look how pretty that is. Ready for the holidays.
What you